Here's how you check if a coffee cleaner is right for your brewer. There are so many options on the market. Make sure what you are buying is genuinely right for you. Number 1, compatibility. Not all coffee cleaners work with every machine. Make sure the cleaner is designed for your exact coffee brewer. The correct cleaner will protect your machine and keeps your coffee tasting great. Number 2, here's something most people don't know. Cleaning and descaling are two very different things. Cleaning removes coffee oils and residues from the brewing system, while descaling removes limescale and mineral buildup from the heating system. Your brewer actually needs both. But before you buy, always check that what you're getting does what you need it to do. Does it clean, descale, or do both? To clean your brewer, you would either use a cleaning pod, a cleaning tablet, or cleaning powder, again, depending on your type of brewer. A descaler, on the other hand, is usually a liquid or a tablet. Number 3, safe ingredients. A quality cleaner is kind to your brewer and your coffee. Look for effective, kind-to-earth ingredients. The formulas should be free from harsh chemicals like phosphates and chlorine, and ideally odorless. Number 4, performance. If your coffee is tasting bitter or flowing very slowly, that is your coffee maker asking for help. The right cleaner can absolutely revive your brewer. Make sure it removes any oils and residues, so all you're left with is smooth flow and that perfect coffee taste. Number 5, brand transparency. Trust matters. Look for brands that show real product photos and not just stock images. Do they have quality control in-house? Are there independent test results? And more importantly, would they happily share these with you? At Caffenu, innovation and quality drives everything we do. We invented the first ever Nespresso compatible cleaning pod, and we still create, test, and quality control every product ourselves. Remember, this cleaner goes to the machine that brews your daily coffee. If it doesn't meet these checks, don't use it. If it passes them all, congratulations. You are protecting your brewer and your coffee the best way possible.